stiff and kind of skinnier than it looks like the original is, but see how it goes. Okay, so no making fun of the kitchen sink or the cabinetry. This is trying to get a few more miles out before we do a full remodel. And as I mentioned before, the original sprayer, or actually it wasn't even the original sprayer. As I mentioned before, the old sprayer's hose had a tear in it, so I had to replace the whole thing. You don't just replace that, you replace the entire assembly. And the sprayer itself wasn't that great. So what I wanted to point out about this one is the hose itself is nice and loose, it's not too stiff. And I have really strong water pressure in this sink. So the sprayer works really nice and it doesn't leak. Like I said, it's been about a month now. The other thing is I noticed that it actually retracts way better than the old one did with that clear plastic type of hose. And I don't even, when I replaced it, there was no counterweight, you know, that helps the hose pull itself back in. So this is without a weight and it retracts really well. So unless you're going to splurge on something really expensive, this is a great value, gets the job done. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. Okay, it ain't pretty under here, obviously it's an old sink. Although it came with tons of fitting adapters for this, the American Standard sink for the sprayer, I didn't need any of them. I just did a straight screw on. And it looks like it's holding good. Screwed that part down. So basically, didn't need the Teflon, didn't need any of the extra brass fittings or these extra hose bits, attachments. But it was nice that it came with all those just in case I did need it. So I would suggest for the money, this is an excellent, cheap replacement sprayer. As always, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.